everyone, my name is Kapil Kiran Chavan, standard C Division D, and I am proud student of Northern English High School and Junior College, Thane. Flood situations and earthquakes are frequent in Asian regions. Every year, there are thousands of people either killed, affected, or become homeless due to it. In the past few years, these flood situations and earthquakes have become regular tragedies now. Governments are spending special packages of millions and billions of rupees, that too from the taxpayers' hard-earned money. Hence, this issue needs to be attended. When the water level increases than the normal, one seeks vertical escape to find some help. Nevertheless, it becomes futile after some time. People take refuge on terraces, chimneys, water tank to find some help. Hence, we try to utilize this vertical escape in terms of heights to find apt solution on these long pending issues. Our house on vertical poles is the apt answer on this. It has vertical movement mechanism to move entire house vertically as the rise in flood water levels. The vertical pole length can be adjusted to the 1.5 times the maximum flood levels ever recorded in the books. So it can't remain inadequate for sure. People can stay afloat with their entire houses with zero property losses. Just imagine what happens when we lose our file of authorized documents. What will happen? We will go mad with that loss. Now these flood-affected people lose their entire properties in a tick of time. Who would imagine their entire losses and agony? This house is lightweight in nature. In actual, it will be built with steel material and climate-responsive materials and insulations. This house will be supported on 4 steel poles, which will be specially treated with rusting issues to deal with floodwater situations for days or even weeks. These 4 poles will have its foundations deep in the earth. We know the method of pile foundation, which is introduced when the soil is not that hard. So to deal with that softness of soil, we can introduce pile foundation deep in the earth, over which these 4 steel poles can be connected. All the joints shall be made strong enough and shall be treated with chemicals and insulations. Below the base of the house slab, there will be cylinders made of raw waste plastics. Plastic will keep the house afloat on flood water. Every single thing in this world has its positives and negatives. In this situation, plastic will show its positive side. This will encourage the recycling process of plastic to make these cylinders. Governments can spend 50 to 100 crores of rupees from yearly flood packages to open plastic recycle plants to prepare these cylinders. It will also encourage the local employment opportunities. There will be mezzanine within the house for vertical rescue, and from there they can go to rescue points assembled on the rooftop through ladder. Once reaching there, government helicopters can rescue them from there or can provide essential material for living. In any case, with it, the flood water cannot reach the ground slab of the house. Thus, it can save the entire property in any flood-affected areas. This house design in flood-affected areas is a need of ours to save every single life, property, assets from any damages. Thank you, everyone.
ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। मिट्टी की है जो खुशबू, तू कैसे भुलाएगा। तू चाहे कहीं जाए, लौट के आएगा। नई नई राहों में, दबी दबी आहों में, खोए खोए दिल से तेरे कोई ये कहेगा। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। कभी टूट नहीं सकता। तुझसे जिंदगी कह रहे सब तो पा लिया, अब है क्या कमी। यूं तो सारे सुख है बरसे, पर दूर तू है अपने घर से। आ लौट चल तू अब दीवाने, जहाँ कोई तो तुझे अपना माने। आवाज दे तुझे बुलाने वही देश। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। पल है वही जिसमें है छुपी पूरी एक सदी सारी जिंदगी। तू ना पूछ रास्ते में काहे आए है इस तरह दो राहें। तू ही तो है राह जो सुझाए, तू ही तो है अब जो ये बताए। जाए तो किस दिशा में जाए वही दे